Hello, let us see how we'll solve this power division problem using algebraic formulas and not calculator. If you're new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Two things I want you to note from this solution that we'll look for how we'll make this numerator equal to the denominator such that we can be able to simplify this. Now, if you look at that very well, I can make 50 to be equal to 25 plus 25 because the denominator is made up of just 25. Now, where will this take me to? Remember, I said we're going to use just algebra in solving this. So this will give me 50 to the power of 25 plus 25. And this will be divided by 25 to the power of 25. Now, recall the law of indices that if you have a to the power of x plus y, this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y, right? So that can be applied there to give us 50 to the power of 25, right? Multiplied by 50 to the power of 25. And all this will be divided by 25 to the power of 25. So in the next step, we're going to isolate this such that we'll have a same power situation. So we'll have 50 to the power of 25 divided by 25 to the power of 25. And this can be multiplied by 50 to the power of 25. I didn't change anything. So that will now bring us to another rule, the law of indices. If I have a to the power of x divided by b to the power of x, this can be equal to a divided by b all to the power of x because they have same base. So if I apply that there, we will now have this to become 50 divided by 25 all to the power of 25 multiplied by 50 to the power of 25. So in the next step, I'm going to simplify these values in the bracket. Now, how do we do that? 25 will clear here to give us 1. 50 divided by 25 will give us 2. So that expression will become 2 to the power of 25 multiplied by 50 to the power of 25. So what do you see here? You see that we have a situation where we have the different base but same power. Now recall this law of indices that if you have a to the power of x multiplied by b multiplied by b to the power of x, this can simply give you a multiplied by b all to the power of x. So that simply will give me 2 multiplied by 50 all to the power of 25. Now that will be equal to, in the next step, 2 times 50 is going to give us 100. So we'll have 100 to the power of 25. This can be the solution, and we can also reduce 100. Recall, 100 can be equal to 10 to the power of 2, right? So if we make that expression simplified further, that will become 10 to the power of 2 multiplied by 25. And according to the law of indices, the exponent will have to multiply. So this will be equal to 10 to the power of 15. So that means the solution to that expression given to us is equal to 10 to the power of 15. And that is the solution to the expression given to us up there. So you see, very easy using the laws of indices and some algebraic formula. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.